Take a ride in 2017 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the MINI Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.